Hi everyone, welcome to the second video of our 10-part series on building voice apps with Voiceflow. In this episode, we are going to be testing our voice app on our Alexa device, as well as setting up our Alexa developer account. So let's jump right in. In the last episode, we built out this simple little skill which just asks the user whether their favorite color is red or blue. And so now we want to actually test it on our device. But before we do that, we actually might want to test just to see if our skill is functional. So with Voiceflow, there's a very simple test tool in the top right here that we can click, and this is going to simulate an Alexa or a Google Assistant using just text, so no voices. So here, welcome to Voiceflow. What is your favorite color? I might say something like green. It's going to say, please see either red or blue, and if I say red, I also like red. Okay. So we can see if we hit debug mode there, we can see what Alexa is actually doing. But that is a super simple way just to test out if our skill is working before we actually go ahead and upload it to our device. But let's do that right now. So in our top right, we have upload to Alexa. And so if we click that, we'll be prompted to log in with our Amazon developer account if we're on Alexa, or if we're developing for Google, it's going to prompt us to link up all of our Google credentials. Now that's a much longer process that should take you about 5 minutes or less to set up your Google. So I'm going to put a link to a full written tutorial so you can follow step by step down below this video. So for this video, we are just going to do Alexa and Amazon. So if I click login with Amazon, Voiceflow is going to link me to click allow to sign in to Voiceflow Creator. I'm going to hit allow. You may, if you don't have a Voiceflow or an Amazon developer account, you'll be prompted to make one. It is free. It takes less than a minute or two. You essentially just use your existing Amazon account and add a developer sort of side to it by filling out a form. So once that is done and you're all signed in with Voiceflow, you're going to be brought back to Voiceflow and you're going to be prompted to continue uploading your Alexa skill for testing. So I'm going to hit continue. And our skill is going to start the upload process to Voiceflow. The first time it's uploading, though, you're not going to get this small little upload in the top right corner. I can hide this. I can click it to see where it's at. I can do all sorts of things with it. However, on your first upload, it is going to take up the majority of your screen. And we've done that simply so that you're making sure you're watching the tutorial video and things like that. Okay, so we're very close here. It's at 96. I have my Alexa device right here ready to test. And there we go. So it says your skill is now available to test on your Alexa and your Amazon console. Now, the name of my Alexa skill, or my project, I should say, is Braden Test. So I can go to my Alexa device that is linked to the same Amazon account that my developer account is, and that's very important. Make sure you do that. So I can go to my Alexa device here and I can say, Alexa, open Braden Test. Oh, Alexa, open Braden Test.
Welcome to Voiceflow. What is your favorite color?
Green.
Please say either red or blue.
Red.
I also like red.
There we go, and that is our Alexa skill. We're able to test it on our device as well as use the Voiceflow testing tool. Now, if you also want to test on your Google device, or if you only have a Google device, you can switch to Google, hit upload to Google, you'll be brought to this screen, and you're going to want to click right here to pull up the written tutorial on how you can upload and get your Google developer account set up. Again, it should take 5 minutes or less. It's just a little bit more of a lengthy process. Okay, so that is how we can test our voice apps on our Alexa and Google devices. We hope this was helpful, and in the next video, we're going to start to build more complex and advanced Alexa skills, and by the end of our 10-part series, you are going to be a Voiceflow master. All right, I'll see you in the next video.